Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I would just like to give a quick shout out to Maze. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. But hey girl, thank you so much for being the first to comment on my last video. I want to say thank you so much for all of your support and everyone's support. So today we're going to be doing a story time, and today's story time is going to be another V-card story. Like I said, if you guys want to send over your stories, please be sure to send me an email. All the information will be down below in the description box. Also, the Google Docs or the Google form where you can put your email if you would like to subscribe to my email list so you can stay up to date and, when giveaways and stuff is also down below as well. But anyway, enough of me jib-jabbering. Let's get right into this story. So it was the summer before my senior year that I swore I was going to lose my virginity. At this time, I never kissed a guy, barely hugged a guy. I'm just quiet, so never really ever thought about it until everyone around me was doing it and talking about it. So the school year starts. I'm checking out the prospects. The prospects. I'm dead. And none of them are cutting it. I finally have my first kiss with this guy that I've known for probably a year. That same day I got my... Wait. Okay, I have to use code words because if I don't, YouTube will unmonetize my video. But I say coochie. I don't think they'll beep that out, but she said, if you have kids or somebody that doesn't, you know what I mean? Click off of this video, but let's continue. I finally have my first kiss with a guy that I've known for probably a year. That same day, I got my coochie ate, and that's it. He was a virgin, and I was a virgin, so we kind of was like, if we don't lose our V-card by the end of the year, then we will do it. Okay, so they made a bet. That's kind of cute. I've always been into older men, so I'm like, I need to find a guy way older that is more experienced that will at least know what to do. So then I came across an app. ... Y'all already know the app. Tinder. Wait a minute. Okay, anyway, let's continue. I'm like, what's this? So I started using it and realized they use this for hookups. In my mind, I'm like, I'll find a guy, hang out with him a few times, and then see if that's a guy. I don't know what I was thinking, LOL. So the guys off the rip want to, get down and dirty. I'm like, oh no, I'm not a hoe, but you work your way to that point. So I come across Otter, and this is his nickname. Brown skin, tall, nice teeth, juicy lips, tattoos, my type of guy. And in my head, I'm like, we're not going to match. Then boom, we do. I didn't message first because I'm like, he will message me if it's meant to be. So a day goes by and he messages me. I give him my phone number and stuff. We're having a convo, getting to know each other. And he's like, I'm just looking for a friends with benefits. Which I was also looking for that at the time because I had feelings for the guy I had my first kiss with. But I was terribly confused. So like usual, the convo got to the questions like, you a virgin, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, yeah. He's like, oh, I've never been with a virgin. And he started to ask follow-up questions. You Gawk 2000 before? And if you don't know what Gawk 2000 is, then you shouldn't be on this video. Gave head before, etc. So I answer. We finally decided to meet up. I told my family I was going to my friend's house. But nope, went to the local Walmart parking lot and met up with him, and he had a nice car. Don't tell me that you... Anyway, let's continue. We chilling here, got the vibe right, and we get it poppin'. No sex, but just head. I gave him head. From November to December, we met up every other day. I worked at a grocery store, so right across the street was Walmart, different area in my city. He would wait there, I would get ready, and we would do this regularly. So I tell him I'm ready. He's like, "Are you sure?" Duh. So this night, I get off work early, go home, get ready, and leave back out with him. And he's playing K-Camp Kiss 3 mixtape, which I still love to this day. Girl, hold on, y'all. K-Camp? Yo, if you don't know about K-Camp, oh my gosh. Anyway. They're doing, some foreplay and some other stuff. And the car is getting hot. He lays me all the way back, and I'm like, oh, bleep, this is really about to happen. Then I'm like, wait, take your time. So, child, he slides it in, kissing me. I'm like, damn, this shit hurt. But mama ain't raised no beat, so I'm taking it. Now, his thing was huge, y'all. His thing was thangin'. Skinny guys be packing. That's so valid. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh, skinny guys it's insane. It really is. Like, those are the ones that really get me. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get into my life right now. But anyway, let me continue. At the time, I didn't know what I was supposed to be feeling. He eventually finished, and we started talking afterwards, and he got me some food and dropped me back off to the car. On the ride home, I was excited, all in my head like I'm grown as fuck. That wasn't the only time we had sex. He basically not been my teacher, but a lending hand when it came to sex. I haven't tried everything with him, but the basics, a few other kinky stuff. And we still talk to this day, every now and then. I have a child now, but not his. Every few months he checks up on me. We always end up saying we're gonna link again, but we both have busy schedules. And that's pretty much it. Thanks. Love your videos and continue to be great. Oh, thank you. You guys have some really cute, like, losing your V-card stories. I don't have that. Like, I'm probably going to say mine's next, but I really don't have that. Like, the fact that you still talk to this man to that, I don't even know where the person I lost, I don't even remember, I don't even know his last name. That probably sounds so bad, but... But let's talk about skinny guys for a second, because skinny guys really do be packing, and it's, like, kind of insane. That was a nice quick story. Thank you so much for sending that over. Like I said, if you guys want to send over any story time, doesn't have to be your V-card story, definitely check out my description box, and you can send it to my email address, or you can send it to my Instagram DM. Also, I did leave a link to the Google survey type of thing, and all you have to do is leave your email address and I'll get it, and I will be sure to add you to that list. And I'll be doing giveaways, like I said, so that's going to be really exciting. And it's also like in a, it's a backup. But anyway, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. How are you guys doing? That's what I want to know. How are you guys doing? Let me know down in the comments. I know I haven't been the best at replying to comments. Don't hate me. I just been working. Like, literally, I get up at 5 a.m. and I don't get home until like 7 p.m. And when I get home, I have to pack my lunch, make my outfit, take a shower, do my hair. And by that time, I have to be in bed so I can be up by 5. So I'm just trying to get my schedule and my life together. I have to find an apartment. Like, I'm just trying to get it together, So thank you guys for sticking with me. I love you guys. Today is Thursday, so that means that I will see you guys on Monday. All right, bye. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you Monday. Bye.